Good morning, class 11. बच्चे, today we will discuss a new method for finding out rank correlation. In previous video, you have seen that we have discussed the method in which ranks are already been given. But today, ranks will not be given to us. We will be writing ranks ourselves, and how we will be writing, that is the important thing today, because the formula remains same which it was yesterday. You have to find difference of ranks and then you have to apply, but how you will get the ranks, that is more important today. So let's have a look. These are the marks of economics of a students of 10 students, and these are your marks in accounts of 10 students. So first of all, you have to write the marks of economics over here, and you can write n is equal to 10. Now bacha, as you know that who has got the highest marks, that person will get rank 1. So who is having highest marks? Here highest marks is 95. So this person has got, whosoever is there we don't know, but this is your rank 1. Now we have to find a value which is below this from all the values, and we will get that this is your rank 2. This is your rank 2. Then in the same way beta, you will be giving ranks to all the values. So after 90, what we have got rank 3 over here. We can write rank 3. Then 80 will be your rank 4. Then 70 will be your rank 5. You have to do very carefully. If you are missing any values, it will become wrong. So very carefully you have to see. And after 70, which is your value, it is your 60. That is your rank 6. And after this 60, this is your 50. That is your rank 7. And then you are having 45, that is your rank 8. Then you are having 40, that is your rank 9. And then you are having 35, that is your rank 10. If you are thinking that this could be the tough thing for you to find out the ranks, so what you can do, you can arrange these values into either into ascending order or into descending order. Suppose I am arranging it in descending order. So I am getting 90, then I am getting 85, then I am getting not 85. First of all is 95, then is 90, then 85, then is your 80, then is your 70, then is your 60, then is your 50, then is your 45, then is your 40, then is your 35. Beta, so to make it very easy, you can arrange this into descending order somewhere on the rough corner, and then you can check also by mistake any value you have not written wrong. So you can check 40 is greater than 35, okay. 45 is greater than 40, it's okay. 50 is greater than 45, okay. 60 is greater than 50, okay. 70 is greater than 60, fine. 80 is greater than 70, fine. 85 is greater than 80, 90 is greater than 85, 95 greater. Means when you are checking, you check like this, it becomes confirmed that any wrong value you have not written out. So bache, now you can see that it is written first of all, so it will be a rank 1, it will be of rank 2, it will be your rank 3, it will get rank 4, it will get rank 5, it will get rank 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So by writing in rough side and then providing ranks and then copy those ranks over here. Hope you are getting. Two ways I have told you. Either you can write here directly, or first you can arrange in descending order somewhere in the rough corner, and then after that you can see 95 will get rank 1, you write here 1. 90 will get rank 2, in front of 90 you write 2. 85 will get rank 3, you will write in front of 83 3. Now in the same way you have to give ranks to this column. I have already been given. The process of giving ranks already I have told to you. Then you have to find the difference between R1 and R2. So these are your R1, these are your R2. So the difference of this, difference, not multiplication, difference of this and this. So 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 10, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 9, minus 1. 6 minus 7, minus 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. So you have got all the values. Now बच्चे, you have to do the square of these values. So first of all you do the square. 2 square 4, minus 2 square 4, 0 square 0, minus 1 square 1, 0 square 0, minus 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. Total you have to do all the values. 4 and 4 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 for 15, 1, 16. So you have got this value. Now you have to look at this formula. This is your formula. You have to put the values. Already you know how to apply this formula. I have told you in previous question also. Just you have to put the value of sigma d square. Then you have to find the value of n. N is 10. So bache n cube, that is 10 cube is 1000. You can put here and you can finally get the value here. This I am not telling you because you already know how to put the values and how to get the answer. That is 0.903. And this is a relatively high degree of positive correlation. These are two parts of question 14, A and B, based on the same process. First giving ranks, then finding difference, then finding d square, and then applying to the formula. You have to find out the rank correlation. Now bacha, this is another question. This is another question in front of you. So without wasting much time, here bacha you have to use a different formula, and why you will be using a different formula, I'll tell you. How I'll tell you? So first of all, I am arranging this value of x into descending order. So that is 75 will come first, then they are already arranged as you are seeing. And so let me tell, as they are already been arranged, so no great hard work you have to do. If it could not have been arranged, what could you have done? You have to arrange that. So now bacha, you are seeing that it is your first value, so it will get rank 1. It is your second value, it will get rank 2. It is your third value, it will get rank 3. It is your fourth value, and it is your fifth value, then 6th, then 7th, and then 8th. But bacha, here these two values are same. See carefully, these two values are same. So you will not give them different ranks. If two values are same, you will not give them different ranks. So you should provide them the same rank. How you will provide the same rank? What you will do, it is getting number 3, it is getting number 4. So you add these both. 3 plus 4, 7. And how many values are these? 2 values. So 3 plus 4, 7 divided by 2, you will get 3.5. So this is the way how I have given here rank. So how they will get rank? They will get, these two will get rank by the process of 3 plus 4 upon 2. Why 2? Because 1 and 2, they are two values. So what they will get? 7 by 2, that is 3.5. I am mentioning here also. This is your first rank, this is your second rank. Then these were not complicated. So 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th complication was here for these two. So how it will come? It will come, it is your third value plus fourth value divided by 2, you will get 3.5. Same over here, third plus fourth divided by 2, 3.5. Why we have done this process? Because we want to give, if these two values are same, they should be given they should be given same rank. And how we can give the same ranks? There is a process for giving same ranks, that is, on which number that values are coming, after arranging in descending order, we add all those values and we divide by how many the same values are. In this case they are 2 value and they were coming on 3rd and 4th. So we have added 3rd and 4th, that is 7, and the values were 2. 7 divided by 2 has given 3.5. We have written here 3.5. Then all is the same process. Now here you are seeing that what you are having, we are having 3 same values. Now in this second series, what we are having, 3 same values. So this is not arranged in descending order. Let me arrange it in descending order first. So the highest value is 28. It will come first. Then it is your 20. Then it is your 16. Then it is your 13 3 times. Then it is your 11. Then it is your 10. So bacha, here is no complication, you can write 1. Here is no complication, you can write 2. Here is 3, but no complication, you single value. Here you write 4. Here 5. Here 6. Here 7. And here 8. But for these 3, you cannot give 3 different ranks. Again I am saying these 3 are same values. So you cannot give 3 different ranks. To 11 you can give 7th rank. To 10 you can give 8th rank. They are not complication. These 3 are not complication. Now how you will provide rank to these? First of all, what is the numbering given to them when we have arranged them according to descending order? Take care, descending order. Okay bacha? This is your DO, descending order. DO, descending order. Here also I am writing, this was your DO, that is your descending order. Now bache, what you have to do now, as I have already told, you add this 4, 5 and 6. What you will get? 4, 5 and 6. How many are these? 1, 2, 3. They can be more than 3 also. Okay bacha? So you have to count this 3. Now 5 plus 4, 9 plus 6, 15 by 3. That is 5. So what numbering of rank you have got to give to all 3 values? That is your 5. So let's write the ranks. 10 is 8, 11 is 7. These are 5, 5 and 5 as we have calculated. Then 2, 3 and 1. Then the process is same. You will find the D value, difference of R1 and R2. Which are your R1 and R2? This is your R1 and R2. Got it? Then you have to do the D square. D square you can do. You have to take care of this point D square. This also I tell you once. So it is bacha 1.5 into 1.5. As you all know, 15 square is 225. But beta here is after 0.1 digit. Here is after 0.1 digit. So from back side you will count 2 digits and you will put a point. So you will get the square 2.25. So in the proper way you have to give this. And now bache, here also I have written, as in X series 72 is repeated 2 times. So first M1 we will take 2. Because in this formula we are having M1 and M2. And bache, if we are having any other value which is being repeated, then we can use M3 also. See, it is so on. Because here were only 2 values repeated, that is 72 and 13. So we are taking only 2, M1 and M2. If there could be have been any other values, we could have used M3, we could have used M4. So bacha, it is repeated 2 times. I am taking M1 as 2. It is repeating 3 times, so I am taking the next, that is next M2, that is 3. So this is the new formula which you have to remember for your coefficient of rank correlation when you are having repeated values in the question. Make sure when you are having repeated values in the question, you have to use this formula. Now bache, you know this is the formula you have to learn. And bache, this is your sigma D value. This is your N8, M12, M23. Let's put the values. 6 is outside the complete bracket. Sigma D value is 159.50. 1 by 12 into bracket 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 bracket 3 cube minus 3. Now let's come, but first we have to solve this. This is all same. 1 by 12 2 cube is 8 minus 2. 1 by 12 3 cube is 27 minus 3. Then here bache again the same. Here you are having 8 minus 2, that is 6. So 6 upon 12. 24 minus 3, what you will get? 24. What you will get beta? 27 minus 3, 24. 27 minus 3, 24 upon 12. So when this you will divide 16 by 12, you will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by 2 means 0.5. And your 24 divided by 12 means, what does this means? 2. So this you have got the values, others values were same. So first you will add these all. 159.50 plus 50 will give you 160. 160 plus 2 will give you 162. Then you will multiply it by this. You will get 972. Then you will use LCM method. So finally you will get this value. You will be having a negative sign because here negative value is bigger than this positive value. And finally you will reach to this value. This is your negative value, that is 0.9285, and negative value shows that there is a high degree of negative correlation. Hope you have understood both the methods. You have done 3 methods. In first methods, ranks of you have done beta so many methods, but of rank correlation we have done 3 methods. That was case 1 when ranks are already given in the question. Second was when ranks are not given, ranks are being given to you and no value is repeated. No value is repeated, and the formula of first case and second case is same. Now you are having the case 3. In this you are having this formula because you are having so many repeated values. So bache you have to use this formula, and if values are repeated you have to take care how to give ranks to them. I have already explained to you. So this was your discussion, and this is your question number 16A part and question number 16B part. You have to do it in form of homework. This is your homework, and this 14 is also your homework. So thank you and have a nice day.